Invoicing in Aspire. Aspire makes it easy to invoice and allows you to track everything inside the system. It's hard to make money if you don't bill for the work that you do, and yet it happens. In Aspire, it's impossible to do this, since everything is sourced from the estimate and tracked through the ticket to completion. You will know at all point in time those things that need to be billed. Just as we used the purchasing assistant to buy things, we use the invoicing assistant to bill things. The invoicing assistant gives you control over what to bill, the types of billing, like a fixed payment, per service, time and materials, etc., and when you go bill those things. In Aspire, it's as simple as identifying the bills and the invoices you want to create, generating the invoice, and customizing or editing the invoice as necessary, whether it's description, pictures, or price, before sending it out to your clients. In Aspire, you can set up as many formats as you want for the different types of invoices that you may be sending out. It's as simple as selecting a report setting. Once you bill the client, now you have to apply payments. You will manage your accounts receivable inside of Aspire. When the client sends you a check, you will apply payment inside of Aspire, as well as, if necessary, manage credit memos to keep the client's accounts up to date. Once payments are applied, you will create deposits inside of Aspire. Once deposits are created, Aspire sends over an electronic transaction to your QuickBooks that updates your balance sheet accounts for both cash and receivables. But all the details for your invoicing and accounts receivable remain in Aspire. The obvious benefit is that your account managers can manage accounts receivable and account balances with their clients, as it's part of the Aspire property management screen. All this makes it easy to stay on top of your cash as well as your payments. So billing is the end of a very long cycle that started with a prospect, went to a proposal, a contract, a ticket, and then a completion. All of this done inside of Aspire, so you make certain that you can manage everything right up to profit and loss with each and every customer. The benefit of doing all the billing and invoicing and accounts receivable inside of Aspire is that it allows your account managers to manage account balances and manage the relationship with your customers. Of course, this all drills back into profit and loss for that client. This all goes back to the bottom line. Are you making money with that particular customer? That's the profit and loss statement. And here we're showing invoiced revenue versus actual cost. We could also show you earned revenue, and you get a pretty good idea of what your over and under is at any point in time. That's invoicing inside of Aspire.